Whoa, the water is huge as this is the monsoon. Hello and welcome once again. So we have returned from the Fewa Lake and heading towards Devi's Fall. And Devi's Fall is somewhat like 4.7 to 4.9 kilometers from here. So actually there are two ways for Devi's Fall. One is going through the airport and another is taking right from this road after Nepal Rastriya Bank, and I think that is this shortcut, little bit shortcut I think. And I don't know when I had been to Devi's Fall last time. I think it has been ages since I haven't been to Devi's Fall, so it's like visiting the Devi's Fall for first time. And this is the lake actually. I think this is also lakeside, as this is side to the lake. No idea. But logically this will be also a lakeside. This will be Nepal Rastriya Bank or something like that. Yeah, I'll be going right from there. Pokhara, something. Let's go right from here. Let's explore Pokhara. I needed to leave my chain. Should I go straight? Again, Google. So again, as for Google, this is the Rastriya Bank road. Rastriya Bank means central bank or the national bank if you do the typical translate. So we will be heading towards the dam side, or this will be actually the dam side. There is lake over here as well. Yeah, if you can see, this is actually the end of the lake. So let's not take more subway and go to the straight one. Yeah, this should be the dam side. Dam side, yep. Actually, this is the real dam side. No more confusion. So they have widened the road, which is good. Tarmac, good. And this will be the main highway for Syangja. So we'll be taking right from here for Devi's Fall and Pagoda as well. And from Devi's Fall, the pagoda is somewhat like 4 kilometers. Now comes the busiest road and potholes. This is not only pothole, but the the tarmac is completely wear off. Actually they are constructing this road. Might take about another 3 or 4 years. Okay, see you after this mess. So nope, it's still a lot to go. We have traveled 4 kilometers so far, and I think we need to still go for 700 meters or so. Yep, this will be the area for Devi's Fall and the Siddheswar or something Gufa. Devi's Fall, yep, this is the way for Devi's Fall. Let's park our bike around here. Gupteswar actually. Sorry for my pronunciation. I'm neither good at English nor at Nepali. So this is the way for Gupteswar cave, and there is this signage which says welcome to Patale Chango. Patale Chango. Okay, Devi's Fall. The name Devi's Fall resemble, I think, a person named Devi fell from this waterfall, so it is named Devi's Fall. I don't know. That can be the reason. I think we need to buy a ticket as well. So there is this sort of कति हो दाइ टिकटको टिकट कति हो 40 एकजना So cost 40 rupees Nepali. Okay. Look at this water. This is the water from there goes down to nowhere to be seen, actually. First, let's explore from here. There is a lot of water here, so cannot be seen from here. You need an umbrella to clearly see the Devil's Fall actually, and I am in GoPro. God bless me. So, whoa, the water is huge as this is the monsoon. So this is actually the water from Fewa Lake, and it comes from underground, you know, and it disappears from there. It disappears. My money, 50 rupees. This is the Nepalese 50 rupees. If you can see 50. No, that is the Nepali 50. Let me show you the English 5050. Sort of dangerous. The girl is so dangerous. This is the water, and we are at very edge of this viewpoint. So it comes like this and ultimately disappear down there. So you cannot see the plinth or the ground where it disappears. It completely disappears. and it's sort of cold here. Nope, you cannot see the ground. Where it lands, no idea. Okay, so this is the Devi's Fall. Now meet you at Gupteshwar Mahadev. Mahadev means Shiva, the Hindu god, and that temple reside inside the cave. Okay.